Did.
Oh, you didn't check in your project. Oh, you didn't save. Or you didn't check in the project file.
Weird. Okay, let me.
You got to remember that Visual Studio doesn't commit project settings until save all or a complete rebuild is done or a build is done.
Yeah, but it's just weird. I could have sworn I.
In source tree, I don't know. I'm watching your stream, so I'm a little bit further behind. So let me go over here. In source tree, if you click working copy, or you can do it there by clicking on committed changes. So working copy and the commit button are the same thing. But yeah. I don't know if it really matters. It does matter when we go to publish, so. We're going to load Earth first.
Alright, so how are we going to go about doing this? We have the waiting lobby. Are we just. Are we doing just single player at the moment? Or. Because how are we doing? Am I doing it from the client, or is the server going to tell me which one to load, or.
Uh, well, for right now, we're just going to load Earth.json. We don't have other maps. We don't have anything else to worry about.
Yeah, I understand that, but we need which direction is it coming from and stuff like that. Because
Isn't
we're
that in the
still technically in the
JSON file?
waiting lobby. We don't have anything coded after the waiting lobby.
Okay, so you need a signal of game start, right? Is that
I
what
would
you're asking for?
something. I was just trying to figure out what. Because I don't think we really
Okay.
have anything for.
So if we do a start,
So just be like the join game part. Yeah, sort of starting.
well, yeah, I'm trying. Let's think how this would work.
I mean, I
Is
can add a button in temporarily so we can at least go to the gameplay screen.
it's going to be very minimal work for me to start the game.
Okay.
I was thinking because what's going to happen is, well, if I say start game instead of you, I think there has to be like two messages. Like I have to say, you know, load, like or begin or something, so that way we can make sure the clients actually have the map loaded before we start. Because a terrible thing would be to say just start, and the client still has to load everything, and then
Yeah.
hey, you're already like 5 seconds behind. So I guess you're right. I will have to say load something.
All right.
So there's going to be an action called, I want to send the message of called a load map, or which will be basically the whole So we have the lobby. Okay. I'm going to send a message saying load map. And then we're going to... do we even need that right now? I'm going to say start, and we're just going to load the map and then start the game at that point.
All right. Okay. I'm adding a start button just for now, which will be converted over to like the switch to single player once we get.
Where is my game loop?
Dang it.
Hey, what happened to my change?
It's like it's cached it again.
Hit Shift F5 this time.
I'm still.
Yeah, because that's an old copy.
Come on, load. What's going on? Let me double check, make sure I didn't blow away changes somehow. Nope, still there.
Oh, I'm looking in the wrong class.
There we go. Okay, we have a start button. Ship flies by. Okay, then we're in the gameplay screen.
is load map going to do? It's got to load this JSON file, which you checked in, so pull that.
All right, I'm setting up a Poco so we can store the map information.
Is width and height going to be whole numbers
Yeah,
all the time?
they'll be integers. Yeah.
Your color, I take it, is RGB and hex.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
the background color will be in hex, RGB, and background layer 1 and 2 are just the names of the image file. Alright.
So background layer 1, it's a string called black.
Yep,
And that's a image.
yep.
Now is none. Is that actually, is there an image called none?
No, that's going to be have to be parsed out whenever we load the maps. So if it's set to none, that means there's no image. We could cheap measure or like measure, um, like cheaply do it by